Hi, I'm Maria Clement, co-director of Hippocrates Health Institute, and today we're talking coconuts. And of course, summertime, this is great. We want young coconuts and their juice. Now, of course, here at the Institute, for fasting day, this is our lunch. And it's our drinking lunch, of course. So we take the water and we drink it. Now, I'm gonna make a little more fun with this. So what I'm gonna do is to take this water, pour it into a blender, and then I'm gonna take the white juicy meat inside and take that out of here and cut it and put it in the blender. So I take these out after you cut it off here, and then I'll just cut them a little bit easier to blend. So what's so good about coconut? It has loads of electrolytes. It has magnesium, potassium, selenium, zinc. It has so much antioxidants. It actually can help to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's because there is a protein that we worry about with Alzheimer's, right? That covers the neurons in our brain, and that's called tau, and this can really help to reduce that. So what a great food, and it comes, you know, everything together. Now, so we make a drink out of this. I'll add cinnamon. Now, let me show you something. Cinnamon comes out of the cinnamon tree, and it's from the inner bark of the tree. And when you dry it, it dries together in little wraps like this. And here at the Institute, when somebody comes to stop smoking, I give them a bunch of these and they suck on these. And it really helps. You're not going to eat them, but it really has been a help. So I take the powder. This is where the powder came from. It's been ground. So I just take a little bit of this to flavor. And vanilla. Vanilla is my one favorite flavor for most people, so just take a little bit of that. So this is going to be a nice summer drink here for you. All right. It doesn't take long, does it? And it's a little bit different for your friends and family, and it gives a different flavor. It's more filling because you have everything in it, and it's really a good nourishment, good protein. Remember the electrolytes, all the minerals, the vitamins, the good fats that are in there. So you want to enjoy this, and coconuts now is the best time. Remember, we use green coconuts, the young coconuts, and what it will be for your digestion because it's loads of fiber, vitamins, minerals. So enjoy. Have a good summer. So good. So good. You gotta try this.